Now, once you are subscribed to your dots, whether you want the red, the gold, the green, rockets, once you are subscribed to those and those alerts start coming into your private channel here, you can turn on your summary channel. To turn your summary channel on, you're going to hit the slash command and you're going to type summary. And here we can see disabled, enabled, status. So we're going to pick enable here. And when we go ahead and hit enter, your private channel will pop up over here. It will say summary. What this is going to do is the alerts that come into your private channel that are dot alerts are going to be populated into this channel, into this table. This top section here is the lower time frame. This is the 4-hour dots. You can see not much action today because the chart is empty. This chart does purge over time, so they will be on here and then they will pop off. The bottom one is the daily chart, so we can see after 7 days they will start falling off. So these are the dot alerts. They were all green, it looks like. We have the trend here for the last 15 minutes. These go across all the assets in the system. We can see in the last 15 minutes we have had no dots. And on the higher time frame, this is the last 5 days, gives us an idea of how many dots came into the system. So we can see not many dots come in.